In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Parakeet AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get the desktop app onto your computer without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Parakeet AI dashboard. You can type the address directly into the address bar. As a quick best practice, make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser and that the domain is correct before proceeding. This helps ensure you're downloading from the legitimate source. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Download Desktop App. This is typically easy to spot on the page. Click it to go to the download area. If the page looks different from what you expect, give it a quick refresh. Occasionally, availability or layout can vary slightly depending on your browser or if the site has been updated, but the download option will be there. Now you'll choose the version that matches your computer. If you're on a Mac, click Download for Mac. Your browser will start downloading the installer file, which usually lands in your Downloads folder. Keep the browser open until the download completes and avoid putting your computer to sleep during this time to prevent interruptions. When the download finishes, open the file from your browser's downloads tray or from your downloads folder, then follow the on-screen prompts to install. If your Mac shows a security prompt, confirm that you want to open the installer from a verified developer and continue. Stay patient if your system asks for permission to access your applications folder or to finalize the installation. Just allow those prompts so the app can be placed correctly. If you're on Windows, click Download for Windows. Your browser will save an installer file, usually with .exe or .msi extension, again in your Downloads folder by default. When it's done, click the downloaded file from your browser or open it from the Downloads folder and proceed through the setup wizard. If Windows shows a security or firewall prompt, choose the option that allows the installer to run. It can help to close other apps before installing so the process completes smoothly. After installation finishes on either platform, you're ready to open the Parakeet AI desktop app from your Applications folder on Mac or the Start menu on Windows. If anything seems off, double-check that your internet connection is stable, ensure you have enough disk space, and try running the installer again. That's it, your Parakeet AI download and installation are complete.